Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and I've got another very cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of. This is the Brown Knives FSD-I, and this is on loan to me from Fred the Lug. Really appreciate him allowing me to take a look at this knife and do the disassembly and cleaning. So let's go ahead and get into it. I had one of these in the past, the button lock version, brown lock version, but I have I don't have that one anymore, and I miss that knife because it's really cool. Let me check here something. This feels like, yeah, it feels like that was a T8 for the pivot, but this body screw is a T10, and that should come apart now. And there it is. Pretty simple. Haha. That's number 123. Let's see if I can get that bearing out right there. Just looking at the different, the milling marks in that. This is a small batch knife maker. Alright, let's go ahead and start wiping everything down. Looks like it had some sort of grease that I was just looking. I'm looking at the different adjustments. And I don't know enough about this to explain it in detail, but it's got some adjustments that you can make, and Fred wanted me to make sure that I didn't mess with any of those adjustments. I'm going to clean that up a little bit more with a cotton tip applicator here in just a bit. And then this should be fairly simple, just cleaning this, getting that lock face. And there's more of that grease that I'll continue to clean out with a cotton tip applicator. There it goes. See, I was unable to push that through a while ago, but it's just very tight tolerances. Alright, let's get a cotton tip well, let's do this first. Let's go ahead and grab another one of these alcohol pads, and I want to clean those bearings. Set that to the side and let it be drying, and then we'll use that cotton tip applicator to clean everything else up while that's drying. Alright, we'll get that pivot, and I'm pretty sure that was a T8. Yeah, that's definitely a T8 on that. I need to look back. I don't know that I actually ever did a disassembly and cleaning video when I had the FSD. I may not have had my channel at the time. I'm not sure. I need to look at that. Well, I broke that one. Let's grab another one. Well, there we go. Clean up lock face. Clean this. Yeah, it's getting some gunk out of there. And I don't want to leave any of that gunk to get in the way of anything. There we go. Okay. Let's do the same thing for this side. And get where the bearing actually goes. And then we'll clean this. Get that as well. Alright. Then we'll clean this area. Let's get a new one. Clean this area around here and make sure those posts are clean. Those are adjustments that I was talking about. If you look very carefully, there's a Allen wrench right there. Come on, focus. Right here and right here as well. So, and he tunes those, so I'm not messing with those at all. Let's go ahead and start putting everything back together. Get that and make sure that fits in well. Put a bearing that side. Let me grab my gunny glide. Put a little bit here. Put a little bit on each side. And I'm going to put a little dot there on that detent ball. And then we're going to put this there. Okay. So you've got one that stops the stops it, and then you've got one that stops it on open. All right. We will put a little bit on this side, a little bit on this side. And so that should be it. Fairly simple. There we go there. And again, T8 on that body screw. I'm going to grab some of that. That's not a body screw, that's a pivot screw. Get a little bit of Loctite there. And get that in place. Seems that just seemed like it took a while. Alright, and then I've got the T10 here for that body screw. Tighten that up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Very hydraulic close. Yeah, very nice. No up and down, side to side. Let me back off just a little on it, actually. Nope. Introduced some blade play there. There we go. So there you have it, FSD-I. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the knife. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And thank you so much for watching.